In this video, we're going to focus on a foundational skill in C#, interfacing with users through the console. I will demonstrate capturing information from the user, storing it in a variable, and displaying it back to them. These skills are essential for creating dynamic applications where user input drives the functionality. Unlike graphical applications, which have buttons, windows, and visual elements, console applications operate in a simpler text-only format. They're commonly used for teaching programming. By utilizing the command line interface, they allow us to focus on code and logic without worrying about complex graphical elements. Console applications are ideal for learning programming basics and performing straightforward tasks such as calculations, simple file handling, and testing logic. To create a new console application, open Visual Studio. On the launch screen, you'll see an option to create a new project. Next, we're brought to the project template screen where we select the type of application we want to build. Search for Console App or locate it under C# templates and select it. Provide the preferred name and location for your application files. Then make sure you're choosing the right framework for your project. At the time of this recording, .NET 8.0 is the preferred framework for C# applications. Visual Studio will then generate a basic console application template with a file called program.cs. This file is where we'll be writing all our code. To interact with users in a console application, we use the console WriteLine method to display messages in the console window, allowing us to prompt the user for input or provide feedback based on their actions. When we run this code, it displays the text, "Enter your name," in the console window. This message helps guide the user, telling them exactly what input we're expecting. We can change this text to suit any prompt or instruction we want to give. Now that we've prompted the user with console WriteLine, we capture their input using console readLine. This method is designed to read any text the user types and allows us to store it in a variable for later use in our program. When this line runs, the program waits for the user to type something and press Enter. Console readLine then takes whatever the user entered and assigns it to the variable username. When we capture the user's input in a variable, we can display it back to them using console.WriteLine. The use of console WriteLine and readLine allow us to create a more interactive experience by responding directly to what the user typed. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, make sure to subscribe and check out more content on this channel. For comprehensive tutorials and coding resources, visit breakpointcoding.com.